You can grab up to 18,000 per month scholarship from Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial. Do you want to know how? Then keep watching the video till the end. Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund Scholarship is an esteemed opportunity for Indian nationals and the citizens of Asian country. The scholarship provided by JNMF aims to support the scholars from various fields for the period of 2 years. It's not just about the financial assistance, it's a recognition for the academic excellence and commitment to nurture the future leaders in research. At any moment, if you feel that the scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Now let's talk about the substantial benefit that comes with a JNMF scholarship. A successful applicant will receive a monthly maintenance allowance of 18,000 rupees covering the tuition fees. Additionally, there is a provision for contingent expenses, that is 15,000 per annum, can be spent for the educational tour within the India, books, stationery items and other academic related expenses. Who can apply for this prestigious scholarship? All Indian nationals and all the citizens of Asian countries are eligible for this scholarship. Applicant must have secured a first class grade along with a 60% of minimum percentage in both undergraduate and postgraduate level. Applicant must be pursuing a full-time PhD scholar and the age limit must have not crossed more than 35. And the most importantly, if you have bagged any of the other scholarship opportunities from other resources, then you are not eligible for this scholarship. What areas of study does the JNMF scholarship cover? A candidate may apply in any one of the following areas of specialization: Indian history and civilization, sociology, economics, comparative studies in religion and culture, ecology and environment. The board spectrum encourages the scholar to delve into the diverse field of research. Ready to take the research to the next level? To apply, you need to submit a passport size photograph, a synopsis of proposed project, a doctoral monitoring committee report or the recommendation of the supervisor, a postal order or a demand draft of 100 rupees, and don't forget to attach your PhD registration certificate. If you want to get to know about more scholarship opportunities at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with our Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship and enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as an introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey. Link in description box. If you have completed graduation or post-graduation, then you can grab a 14,000 per month fellowship. You want to know how? Then you need to watch the video which is on the right side.